Hey guys, so today I'm going to be playing with my Roblox airplane because I didn't succeed last time and I lost to a monster and all to a game. So now I'm with my other friend, with my friend with James Schoolboy. Be sure to subscribe to him. So let's go to our seats. So our seat is D12. 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 C. D. D. There. There. Wait, let me see what you are. You're a human, so let me see. No, 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 no. What? Ooh, we're beside each other. We're beside each other. We're beside. I mean, I mean. Oh my goodness, why am I so dumb? We're next to. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I don't know. Thank you for your cooperation. We already know what the captain is gonna say because we already know what he's gonna say because we failed. Get ready as a crew members. Hello, everyone. We are the crew members. I don't want your snacks. I don't want people to get allergies. Don't eat it. Don't eat it, James. We don't know what on second thought I'm eating it. Never mind, I'm eating it. I don't care if I die. No, actually no. No, I ate it. I'm gonna start finding. I'm starting finding. No, 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 please, my girl. Please don't die. No, 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 girl, my girl, please. You can't die on me. You can't die on me. Because then I'll kill you either way. No, no, my girl can't die. No, no, come on, come on, open everything. No, you can't die. If you die on me, I'll kill you. Oh yes, is it hers? Is it hers? Hers. Whose is it? Whose bag is it? Oh, it's my friend's backpack. She's not even a little. Okay, she's worried about it. So I found mine, James, everybody's, but not hers. Yeah, is that what's supposed to happen? Huh? Hey, let me out. Where the hell is this thing? No! She can't die! No! Phew! I found it! Phew! That was a close one. I'm so glad she's alive. Alright, let's see it. Good afternoon to all the people. I inform you we've reached in state. It's supposed to be a stable attitude. It would It would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. Yeah, when we're going to die. I feel like sleeping. Oh, alright, I'm coming. I know what's gonna happen, okay, dude? I failed once. I'm not gonna fail. Actually, I failed 4 times or 3 times. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We have a few hours to go. Actually, I did a pretty good voice acting, though. LOL, LOL, we're only. No, she left. After the struggle, it appears that we've lost the energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. Yeah, now the creature is gonna come to the wing. Guys, look, what is that? What is that thing on the right wing? Dot dot dot. India, now he's gonna say, I'll kill you all or something like that. Dude, we already know your lines, just, you will not survive. We know. Are those snakes? I know what's gonna happen, guys. See, I'm a mind reader. Alright, now the door's gonna open. I think you monster, you. He's bad at those snakes. Come on, open the door already. No! He died! No! No! He died. Guys, there is an open door. No, no, I shall avenge. Never mind, guys. Never mind. I guess we're never going to be able to beat that game. Because this is like the fifth time I'm trying, but that game's way too hard for me. So I'm just gonna dance a little bit because we're never gonna beat that game. So I'm still sad. I'm sad. So this is a sad dance, what I'm going to do. It's a sad dance. Not a happy dance. Hey, why can't I just, you know what, I'm just gonna salute this game for never letting me win it. I wish I could just, I wish I could. I want to win this game for at least once in my life, in my lifetime. Like, why can't I ever win this game? I want to win this game, but I'm never gonna be able to win this. So, me and James will be doing some more collabs, I guess. So, bye guys.